Welcome to the spoken tutorial on Globbing and Export command. In this tutorial, we will learn about Globbing Export command. To follow this tutorial, you should be familiar with Linux operating system. If not, for relevant tutorials, please visit our website, which is as shown. For this tutorial, I am using Ubuntu Linux 12.04 operating system and GNU Bash version 4.1.10. Please note, GNU Bash version 4 or above is recommended to practice this tutorial. Let us start with an introduction to globbing. File name or path name expansion carried by Bash is known as globbing. Globbing recognizes and expands wildcards. It also interprets standard wildcard characters like asterisk and question mark. Let us understand this with the help of an example. Open the terminal window by pressing Ctrl, Alt and T keys simultaneously on your keyboard. On the terminal, type ls space asterisk dot sh. Press enter. It matches all the files having .sh extension in the present directory. Here we can see that all the sh files are listed. Let me clear the prompt. Now type ls space s asterisk dot sh. Press enter. We can see that s asterisk dot sh matches all the files starting with character s and having sh as extension. Let's move on. Now type ls space opening square bracket a hyphen c closing square bracket asterisk dot sh. Press enter. This will match and display the files starting with letter A or B or C. Observe the output. We see a list of all files starting with character A or B or C, and these files have sh extension. Now let's go ahead. Type ls space opening square bracket caret sign A hyphen C closing square bracket asterisk dot sh. Press enter. This will match all the file names with extension sh, but will omit those starting with character as A or B or C. Observe the output. You will notice that the file names are not starting with characters A, B or C. Let me clear the prompt. Now type ls space opening square bracket capital A small a closing square bracket asterisk sign dot sh. Press enter. This will match file names starting with upper and lower case of letter A. See the output. All file names starting with upper and lower case A and extension sh are listed. Now let's see the export command in Bash. Switch to our slides. In Bash, variables are local to their own shell. Local variables can be used by same shell or by the current shell. Export command exports a variable or a function to the environment of all child processes. Can also change a local variable to a global variable. We will try to understand this with an example. Switch to our terminal. Type myvar equals to sign lion. Press enter. Now type echo space $sign myvar. Press enter. Lion is printed. This is the value assigned to the variable myvar. Now let's navigate to a new shell. To go to a new shell, we can either open a new terminal or type /bin/bash. Press enter. Now let's check the value in the variable myWhere. Type echo space $sign myWhere. Press enter. An empty line is printed. This means that the value assigned to variable myWhere was not transferred to this shell. Also, the variable myWhere is local only to the previous shell and not to the current shell. We will type exit to get back to a previous shell. So, to declare variables globally, we have to use the export command. Let's learn how. Type export space myWhere equals to sign lion. Press enter. Now type echo space $sign myWhere. Press enter. Lion is displayed. Let's navigate to another shell. Type /bin/bash. Press enter. Let me clear the prompt. Now type echo space $sign myWhere. Lion is displayed. This is because we have declared the variable myWhere globally using the export command. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. Let us summarize, come back to our slides. In this tutorial we learnt globbing, export command. As an assignment, write a bash script to do all operations discussed under globbing. Watch the video available at the link shown below. It summarizes the spoken tutorial project. If you do not have good bandwidth, you can download and watch it. The Spoken Tutorial Project team conducts workshops using spoken tutorials, gives certificates to those who pass an online test. For more details, please write to contact@spoken-tutorial.org. Spoken Tutorial Project is a part of the Talk to a Teacher project. It is supported by the National Mission on Education through ICT, MHRD, Government of India. More information on this mission is available at the link shown below. The script has been contributed by FOSSEE and Spoken Tutorial team. This is Ashwini Patil from IIT Bombay signing off. Thank you for joining.